I'm Alan Robarge, a relationship coach and a psychotherapist, and I like to talk about attachment injuries and healing attachment trauma to improve our relationships and learn better skills of relating. And this audio recording is offering a list. I want to share a list with you of relationship resolutions and then also declarations, these statements that we can make to affirm how we want to change our relationships, change old patterns, to unlearn some not so helpful ways of seeing relationship and also not so helpful ways of behaving in relationship. And I'm calling this the resolutions and declarations list. Now, keep in mind that this content, this list, is something that I share in the membership community, Improve Your Relationships, and these are the types of conversations that we are having as a community together. So please know this is an invitation for you to join us. If you would like to connect with some other like-minded people and explore this content. Let me jump into the list. I'm just going to read them and run through all of them here. The first one is, I'm no longer accepting crumbs of affection. I'm sitting down to a full course meal that nourishes my spirit. I'm no longer living invisible. I'm showing up with presence and revealing myself. I'm not reading minds. I value generous, transparent sharing and emotional openness. I'm not distorting reality. I'm grounded in fact-checking the truth and monitoring my assumptions. I'm not rescuing people. I offer appropriate support and loving kindness to those I care about. I'm not coming after you. I know the goodness of my worth, and I value reciprocal emotional responsiveness. I'm not saving the day. I trust that life's inevitable ups and downs are okay. I'm not exploiting my loyalty. I create balanced relationships with equal emotional investment. I'm not going to confuse pity for love. I'm recalibrating my understanding of healthy loving. I'm giving up proving my worth. I know who I am and lead from centered wholeness. I'm done getting you to admit the truth. I validate the truth of my own experience regardless of who agrees or disagrees. I'm done battling loneliness. I'm a good friend to myself and seek out the generosity of community. I'm not living a double life. I'm living a life of integrity and honesty. I'm not going to shame myself. I offer myself gentleness and compassion. I'm not hanging on to you. I invite change. I'm letting go. I accept life's impermanence. I hope that this was helpful. I hope you resonate with these resolutions and declarations. And I hope that you can find some particular language or a very particular declaration that was shared that helps you uncover some skills, some insight, a way that you can begin to change and do relationship a little differently, change some old patterns and come into healthier relating. To repeat what I said earlier, if you like this list, if it's of interest to you, and you want to explore these ideas, please know you're invited to join us in the community, alanrobarge.com/community, and please become a part of the conversation. Thank you for listening.